Hello, привет. Welcome back to our Russian lesson, Russian Square. Today, I would like to speak about possessive pronouns. But before, I ask you to put like, subscribe, put the bell, and let's start. Начинаем. Possessive pronoun. Pronouns. We have four type of version. One of them is masculine. Another one, feminine. Another one, neuter. And another one again, plural. So masculine, we have to say мой, твой, наш. This is my, yours, our. In feminine, моя, твоя, наша. Neuter. Моё, твоё, наше. Plural. Мои, твои, наши. But as you can imagine, we don't have only three types. We have all of 6 pronouns. So let's keep to see everyone. And so let's start to speak about masculine, all of 6 pronouns. Everyone has 6. Let's have some practice. For example, masculine, мой. Мой паспорт. And you can imagine is my passport. Твой. For example, дом. Your. Your is singular, not formal. You. Your home. Наш. Стол. Our table. Let's check feminine version. Моя, Familia. As you remember, familia is surname or the last name. My, che last name. Moja familia, my last name. Твоя. Твоя команда. Your. Твоя always are because it's not stressed. Your. Singular. Your. You singular, not polite form. Team. Your team. Твоя команда. Наша работа. Наша работа. Our work. This was masculine. This is feminine. We have also neuter. Let's check. Okay, neuter. Моё. Always on. Not stressed. Моё пальто. My coat. Твоё. Вино. Your wine. Always singular, not polite form of you. Наше море. Our sea. Наше море, our sea. And now we have to check, to practice with plural. Мои. Мои. For example, документы. Документы. My documents. Your. Твои. Money. Деньги. Твои деньги. Наши. цветы. All flowers. And so, let's repeat. Мой, твой, наш is masculine. Моя, твоя, наша is feminine. Моё, твоё, наше is neuter. My, your, our. Мои, твои, наши is plural. I can notice that the foreign loan words in Russian are usually neuter and do not change in the plural. For example, taxi, моё такси. Моё такси. As you can imagine, my taxi. Метро. Radio. And for example, avocado. As you see, everything is in all, and so it is neuter gender. For today, we learned a lot, and so for the next time, we will continue to learn possessive pronouns in Russian version, of course, present tense and nominative case, because we have a lot of, but we will stop in that period present. So let's put like, subscribe, write something in the comment. So see you the next time. Пока-пока.